2 Orlando Pirates 1 Durban City. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game ade siyibuka namhlanje. Ade kuyi game emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Ngoba ke kade sibuka ama club amabili kade funa ukuya kuma semifinals eMTN. Sibonile ke bafethu Orlando Pirates ikora kuqala after igoal elkoro Tutu Maswanganye ngepenalty kwi first half. Sayibona ke iDurban City ikora second half igoli elihle selibonile lingena kumwamba kwathi ke kuma extra time wafika umdlalo Orlando Pirates okubani na okulungu oshaya igoli elihle igoli elivoli yabo. So ngizokhuluma nje ngale game le bafethu uthi ke iOrlando Pirates kahle kahle idlale kanjani ukuze ke ithole le win le. Ngangitshela wena ngokwakho kuma comments uthi ke idlale kanjani ngokwakho ikuphi la kumele silungise khona but ke mina naku engikubonile. Ngizoqala nje ngendlela Orlando Pirates line up engakhona kule game le. Kule game le bafethu bese line up ngendlela esimple kakhulu u4-3-3. I4-3-3 na ke iyona line up iyona ke formation le ejwayele ukusebenziswa uyena uAbdeslam Wadu. So kwi formation namhlanje ke ibithi ukuhlwa kancane sibe nosibelebele ka right, sibe nobani na, sibe noNdaba lapha ka left masukuthi ke uSiyema benosibisi yabajita kuyibona de bekhona namhlanje as our center backs. Masukuthi ke lapha esiswini kube khona uDancing with uTalente Mbatha masukuthi ke number 10 sibe noTito Maswanganye obe umdlali ukorile namhlanje masukuthi ke lapha ka left sibe no Moremi sibe no right laphana okuOzwina Police masekuthi ke up front sibe noMbuthu. So iyona ndlela ke le bafethu esijwayele vele uthi ke si line up yakhona ukuyikona ukuthi ke uNdaba akajwayele ukuqala uDion Hotto yabo. So namhlanje ucoach ke uthe uthi ke ayishintshe kancane lento le athi ukufaka ubane na uNdaba, which is very very understandable uthi ke sizofaka yena uNdaba. uNdaba uyakwazi ke azomaka akwazi ke ayisiza uOrlando Pirates imake but ke kwi game yanamhlanje ubonile ithi made sidlala nayo okuyiDurban City. iDurban City ihlale kakhulu emuva yabo. Ukuhlala kwayo kakhulu emuva kuforcile uNdaba uthi ke aphushe aye phambili ayo edema numbers yabo. So ngizokhuluma nje ngaye uNdaba but ke ngizoqala nje with defense yethu. Yabona idefense yethu bafethu ngabe sikwazile ukuthi ke siyithole iclean sheet kwi game namhlanje yabo. Singabe sikwazile ukuthi siyithole iclean sheet. Mina ngokwami kule game le maningi ama mistakes ekumele kabe sihlala phansi as a team. Mabo hlali phansi technical team ibukisise le game ibone ukuthi ke uma izo approacha ama team amaningi azodlala njengeDurban City ikuphi ekumele sikwenze yabo. Siyiwinile le game but ke akumele sijabule kakhulu because siwabonile amaphutha bemaningi kakhulu yabo. First of all i-defensive pairing yethu, i-center back pairing yethu bafethu, it is a very very concerning situation lapha emuva yabo. Center backs asikwazi ukuqalisa ama right footed center backs omabili. Ngisasho futhi namanje asikwazi ukubaqalisa bobabili. I told people angibatshela abantu ukuthi ke noma ke singa introduce ba nalowo mdlali lo esizom introduce kumele senze show ukuthi ke uyi left footed center back because mesom introduce lapha uzofike adala ama mistakes which is something esingadingi ukuyibona kuleya center back pairing yeOrlando Pirates yabo. Ngikhulumile ngathi shilo ngathi ke amathima amaningi azo attacka leli side la ka left because Orlando Pirates ibuthaka kakhulu kuleli side la ka left. They see ukuthi ke ayikho balanced kakhulu. Yes i-defender likhona lizokumaka lizokwazi ke lingimake but ke uma libhekana ne-situation lapho kukhona i-situation like abazocindezela kakhona i-pressure bakwazi ke bayicontrol babe cool mabe calm. Abakwazi ukuthi ke babe calm banokutetezela benza ama mistakes yabo. Angifuni ke ukumgxeka kakhulu umjita ongenile first time Orlando Pirates especially first 15 minutes we didn't play good first 15 minutes. Asikwazile ukuthi ke si pick up itempo yethu sakwazi ke siba attack yabo. Ngo25 kuyale sayithola ke penalty sayisitholile ipenalty nakhona futhi we didn't play good yabo. Second half sibanikezile iopportunity ke badlali yabo. Ila iqale khona ukudlala iDurban City lapho khona bethole ired card. Sibabonile bedlala ibhola la ngempela belimove ibhola. Ndiyathusa ngempela lento ukuthi ke sikwazile ukuthi sinikeze iDurban City ipossession lapho ke abanabo abadlali abaningi kodwa ke ibona de bebambe ibhola kakhulu which is something engifuna ukuyihighlighta kwisisu sethu sanamhlanje yabona. Isisu sethu sanamhlanje kubonakalile ukuthi ke uyadingakala unumber 6 yabo. Besingekho composed lapha esiswini yabo. Maybe ke abantu abaningi bangasho ukuthi ke we must start uDancing. Abantu abaningi bangasho ukuthi ke we must start uDancing with uTalente Mbatha but both of these players akekho number 6 yabo. Izosibulala kakhulu lento le because ucoach nje behlele nje ebenchini uyazi ukuthi ke isithenjwa sama fans uTalente Mbatha kanti ke umdlalo operforma kahle currently number 8 futhi ke kububani na kubuDancing. So lento le kumele kusacrificewe oyedwa between uTalente Mbatha benoDancing. They cannot start ama games bobabili because if they start ama games bobabili akekho ubani na number 6 ozokwazi ke accommit ayo defender ama center backs wethu azoprotect ama center backs wethu. Ingakho ibhola ngempela kade limove kanje lidlalwa abadlali beDurban City lapha eswini, because bebengeke abajita ade bekhona abazokwazi ke basidlalise kahle ibhola. Omsomi nje bebekwazi ke bangene eswini. Umsomi udlale kahle kakhulu lo bedlalela iDurban City, yabo. Ubekwazi ke angene nebhola akwazi ukudlula kulama midfielders ade sinawo eswini, because asikho balanced naseswini, yabo. Yilaphana kwi left center back position nalapha eswini. I wouldn't yabo blame kakhulu uNdaba udlale kahle, yabo. Udlale kahle ngokwami uNdaba, but ke i-technical team yayi Durban City ithe asingene ngalela side laNdaba because they are struggling in that left center back position. So ingakho ke sithi concedile lela goal lesiliconcedile, yabo. A beautiful goal from uMwamba bafethu angifunda uqamba manga. Tito Maswanganye for me umjede ke ungidlalele kahle kule game le. I didn't see much of ubani na uYanela Mbuthuma. Maybe you can tell me in the comments wena ngowakho, did you see much of uYanela Mbuthuma? Udlalela umjida first half yonke. I think udlalela noma minutes amancane second half, but ke sasimkhipha safaka banina safaka uBoyitumelo Rajopane obenawo ama glimpses umjida ke ube dropper deep uBoyitumelo azokwazi ke adlalisane neteam khona ke uzokwazi kuyiwe phambili kuyokhahlela, yabo. Lo goalkeeper kade sidlala naye namhlanje ube ne game enhle kakhulu namhlanje, yabo. Lo goalkeeper lo aseke vele wakwenza before sidlala le Orlando Stadium last season, so into vele libe sesiyilindele. Ozwina Police, I didn't see much of Ozwina Police today, which is a very weird thing, because last game umjida ke ube ne game enhle kakhulu. Tseba ngore umjida ke ube nawo ama moments kule game le, ungasho ukuthi ke udlale kahle because maningi ama shots ade siwabone eqhamuka kwi side lakhe. So ngokwami nayo umjida ke ube nayo igame enhle for Orlando Pirates kwi game ade sidlala namhlanje. Going to extra time, I feel like abajita bebe frustrated because we wanted a goal. We wanted a goal in all directions. Ingabe ngama corner kicks, ingabe ngama free kicks, ingabe we are outside the box, we just wanted a goal. Ingakho nje igoal lethu olibonile libe lihle kanje, cause uLungu lapha ubethola I think lela bhola liflickiwe, angazi uba lo flickele la bhola laseliqhamuka as a volley kuyena uTsayipani Lungu waseshaya igoal elihle, yabo. So mina ngokwami on this game I'm not really impressed. I don't wanna lie, I'm not really impressed, but again, we are going to the next stage. Asai sodla nobani kuzoshawa kusasa I-draw after igame yeKaizer Chiefs against the Golden Arrows. You can tell me in the comments wena ngokwakho le game le kuphathe kanjani. Mina ngokwami overall le game le ngayinikeza, let's say I would give u6 out of 10 with a room of improvement. I-technical team izama ukulungisa lapho nalapho, yabo. Abajita bangenile, I didn't see much of them. I really like uKhositsile umjida ke ungenile walethi energy kwi front three yethu, besikwazi ke attack ka right siphinde ke attack ka left, yabo, which is something vele ke esiyidingayo. Besishoda kancane lapha ku first half besinga attack left and right, yabo. So up front there is a topic vele ke ehlisi ikhuluma, but ke you can tell me in the comments. Some people really fight when we play Yanela Mbuthuma ukuthi ke umjida kadlali kahle, which is his job to play good for Orlando Pirates, but many people usually attack you when you point out to umjida ke he doesn't really play good. He needs to up his socks because his lunch is going to be taken by the next Norwegian striker. We saw him stadium namhlanje, yabo. There is another Argentine player that we saw today, but again, let's hope the player will sign for Orlando.